Good morning, madam. My name is John Puinki. Number matric 10DAT21F2020. And my members are Nutri, Anna Pelumpuan, Anna Darrens. 10DAT21F2021. Today, we are going to present about the Financial Accounting 3 case study. Our lecturer is Madam Nur Hassana binti Hassan. First question. Describe the background of the company, type of products, location, operation, organization. Masys is the leading coverage solution provider in Malaysia, providing a variety of high-quality digital service encompassing voice, data, and also solution. We are passionate about bringing together the best of technology to help people, businesses, and the nation to always be ahead in an evolving Malaysia. As digitalization is changing the way we communicate and access services such as commercial, banking, and entertainment, we at Masys continue to innovate our product and service, leveraging from other leading mobile offerings. Not only are we motivated to ensure our products are consumer relevant and are of high quality, we are committed to deliver the best experience to our customer through a single point of contact. Through our range of worry-free, flexible and personalized mobile and fixed connectivity as well as solutions, we are empowering our consumer and adapt and navigate their lifestyle in an increasingly digital world. We believe in unlocking the full potential of fixed connectivity as well as enterprises as businesses look forward digitalization to improve and grow their businesses. Our end-to-end enterprise offering built upon our strong mobile connectivity now expand into fixed connectivity and a range of coverage solutions such as managed service, cybersecurity, cloud, and IoT. These solutions are supported by an advanced core network with next generation network support capability. We aim to be the preferred information and communication technology ICT partner to help Malaysian businesses leverage on technology as they ride the wave of digitalization in their business growth acceleration. To ensure all customers enjoy superior communication experience, we are continuously investing in our network and IT infrastructure to further boost speed, coverage, and reliability. We are proud of our industry-leading 4G lead network, the fastest in Malaysia, and will continue investing in future technologies for different stations, including a high-speed advanced fiber and 5G network. Type of product and service encompassing voice, data, and solution. Office location: Masys Hart Square, level 5-9, 11, 14-25, and 29-30. Menara Masys Kuala Lumpur City Centre of Jalan Ampang 50088 Kuala Lumpur. Operation organization. The first one is Natalia Nabi, Chef Human Resources Officer, Malaysian, 43 years old. Jennifer Wong, Chef Financial Officer, Malaysian, 52 years old. Ng Mei Chin, Chef Information Officer, Malaysian, 51 years old. Patrick Chef Sales and Service Officer, Malaysia, 48 years old. Maria Bevi binti Macha, Chef Corporate Affairs Officer, Malaysian, 59 years old. Goh Xiao Eng, Chef Executive Officer, Malaysian, 59 years old. Law Ket Jiet, Chef Marketing Officer, Malaysia, 52 years old. Abdul Karim Fakir bin Ali, Chef Network Officer, Malaysia, 52 years old.
Measures the cash used or provided by a company's normal operations. I show company ability to generate consistency positive cash flow from operations. Example, Microsoft normal activity is selling software. Show the results of the cash inflows and outflows related to the fundamental operation of the basic line or lines of business in which the company engages. A. Direct method. Through this method, information about major classes of gross grant, cash receipts and payments may be obtained either directly from the accounting records, particularly from the cash book, or by adjusting sale, cost of sale and other items in the income statement for number 1, changes in stock, debtors and creditors, number 2, the other non-cash items, and number 3, other items for which the cash effects and investing or financing cash flow. B. Indirect material. Under this method, the net cash flow from operating activities is determined by adjusting the net profit or loss for the effects of changes in stock, debtors and creditors, non-cash items such as depreciation, provision, deferred taxes, unrealized exchange gains or losses, and profits retained in association, and all other items for which the cash effects are investing or financing cash flow. Cash flow from investing activities. The activities include acquisitions and disposal of fixed assets, subsidiaries, associated intangibles, and other long-term assets and other investment. Information on the cash of this decision is considered important because they relate to increase in operating capacity, growth, diversification, and other aspects of the enterprise investment policies. Associated with purchase and sales of non-current assets, example, building and equipment purchases or sale of investment or subsidiaries. This area lists all the cash used or provided by the purchase and sale of income producing asset. Example, cash receipt payments from the sales of fixed asset. Cash receipts or payment from the sale of long-term investment, stock and bond or other companies, real estate, stock in a company's subsidiaries, and cash that has been set aside for specific purpose or projects. Cash flow from financing activities. The activities related to financing will give effect to changes in items of capital and debts and other borrowings. The effect on cash is important because they relate to the extent in which the enterprise had relied on external financing and thus has gearing implications associated with financing the firm. Example, selling and paying off bonds and issuing stock and paying dividends. This section measures the flow of cash between a firm and its owner and creditors. Activities which result in changes in the size and composition of the equity, capital and borrowings of the enterprise. Exception. Short-term marketable securities are treated as long-term investment and appear in cash flow from investing activities. Short-term debt is treated as long-term debt and appears in cash flow from financing activities. Although dividends are handled as cash outflow in the cash flow from financing activities section, interest payment is considered an operating outflow, despite the fact that both are payments to outsiders for using their money.
C. Explain type of cash and cash equivalent involved in cash flow. The first one, cash is money in the form of currency, which includes all bills, coins, and currency notes. A demand deposit is a type of account from which fund may be withdrawn at any time without having to notify the institution. Number 2, foreign currency is when company holding more than one currency can experience currency exchange risk. Currency from foreign countries must be translated into the reporting currency for financial reporting purpose. Number 3, market securities. This broad terms covers any investment security that can quickly be converted to cash in a short amount of time. Many of the examples below can also be referred to as marketable security, and companies often lump these investment together on their balance sheet. Number 4, treasury bills. These debt instruments are issued by the United States government and often have a maturity date of 1 year or less. The last one is commercial paper. These are short-term bonds or debts issued by corporations. Commercial paper has a maturity of up to 9 months, 270 days. the interest rate of commercial paper will vary based on the creditworthiness of the issuing corporation. Question D. Provide 2 comments regarding the company performance based on the cash flow statement. The first one, the company cash flow statement show a consistently positive cash flow from operation over the reporting period. The indicates that the company core business activities are generating a healthy inflow of cash. A positive cash flow from operation signifies that the company is effectively managing each day-to-day operation, generating sufficient cash to cover its operation expenses and potentially funding for future growth initiative. It demonstrates the company's ability to generate cash from its core business activity, which is positive sign for investors and shareholders. Number 2, the cash flow statement reveals a negative cash flow from investing activity during the reporting period. This suggests that the company has been making substantial investment in long-term asset or acquisition. While investments are necessary for future growth and expansions, a consistently negative cash flow from investing activity raises concern about the company's ability to generate adequate return on this investment in the near terms. Investors and shareholders may want to closely evaluate the company investment strategy and assess its potential impact on future profitability and cash generation. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.